Okay, let's talk about this part. This is an outliner. It means if you, for example, from 3D shape, if you insert all of these shapes, instead of, if you insert the shapes here, you can also see the number of the shapes in the object and also every object in a scene, everything. This start, you can see start and end path. These are scene paths that I explain in the next lesson. All of the objects that are insert, for example, if you D and copy them, you can see them separately, or also you can see them here. And the orange object means this object is selected. You can see it does not meet the color of that. It's selected. Also, here is the level selection start. If you add number 1, it's level selection number 1, and it shows all the object in a scene, in this scene. Nice. This, and then also show the object in this scene. Start, everything will be changed. So they are dynamic. This is a 3 word. You can hide or unhide everything here about the 3D world. This is include camera, light, sun, and the ground. I explained it before. And it's all object included in the scene is here. You can hide or unhide or lock them. If you, for example, lock this tube, locked it, and you cannot select it anymore. You can select the object from this scene directly, and it's show here, or you can select it in outliner and automatically select it in a 3D world. Or you can lock them, or you can search anything that you want if you have a long scene, or you can filter if you want just see the characters, see the objects, just objects. You can see it's filtering them. Or just enemies, coin, anything that you want, you can filter or search here. Another important of the outliner, you can close it. You can simply close or expand it. Another important thing is this. You can import the scene path, scene point, important thing, links selected, or import mesh and asset from here. That I will be explaining one by one. Another important usage of the outliner is parent and child. It's very important. You can use it a lot in game. For example, you want to carry the light, for example, light, point light. Click and drag the point light here. This is our point light, and I want to anywhere that, for example, this is a character. I want to move my character. Let's choose a noticeable light, and I want this is light here. I wanted this tube always carry this light, for example. Which one is that? This. Just you can click and drag under this object and release that. You can see if you select cube, the child of the cube, you can close or open it. This is a point light. You can move your object and simply point light are changing position. Or, for example, you want to this make child of another tube. Boom. You can see if you move that object will be moved. But if you change, if you select the child, it will be changed separately. Nice. And if you want to, for example, rotate this, it rotate the child rotate based on the parent, and you can use lots in your game. Let's see what happened. Oh, the light is here. We can change it exactly the front. So anywhere this tube goes, the light are attached to that. Interesting. So you can make child, for example, this tube with its parent again to parent of this. Nice. Just click and drag. Or you can organize them. For example, make it about that, make it this part. Interesting. So this is a parent of all. This is parent of cube. The cube is parent of point light. So if you move this tube, everything will be moved with that. That's very easy. This is another usage of the outliner. I hope you use that. If you like it, you can copy, cut, lock, hide, duplicate D from directly from here, D, and nice.